Hello students, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you all? So this is Kalpesh sir once again bringing for you another video for my first standard students. All are brilliant and doing good. Because of that reason I am excited and delighted once again to make another video for my dear students. So this is I'm going to teach from the book called the Phonic number B. So please give attention that I am going to teach you today the phonic number B for the first standard. Okay, my dear students, so it is my privilege and it is my honor. Once again, thank you for the everything. So let me say all of you to give your time to learn something, so we can learn something. Okay, so we can learn together, or you can learn too also. Okay, so today we have been learning some like a long vowels. Okay, long vowels we are okay, long vowel sound of vowel we are learning. Okay, long vowel sound. Okay, long vowel sounds means which vowel is be silent. Okay, where we use some word. So for example we can say, okay, bike. Okay, bike. So e is silent there. Bike. Okay, bike. I, bike. Okay, so kite. Okay, lime. So there are some words which are silent. So about that words we have been learning. So today we are going to learn the long vowel sound of vowel O. A, E, I, O, U. So there are 5 vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. So among them we have seen A, E, I. So we are going to see O. Okay, A, E, I, O, and U will come. So today we are going to see the O vowel sound of vowel O. So for that, let us go to the book and learn the long vowel sound of vowel O. So are you excited to learn? Are you delighted to learn? Or are you happy for learning? Or you are not happy? Can you tell me? If you are delighted, એટલે કે excitement હોવું જરૂરી છે. Okay, you need to be excited and learn. So for that, let us go to the book and find out where is long vowel sound of vowel O. So let us go to the book. Okay, my beloved students, so now I'm going to teach something to you, my beloved students. So the long vowel sound of vowel I we have seen. Okay, vowel I we have seen. So this is what last time I have taught you. So this is you have finished and you have so today we are going to learn the long vowel sound of vowel O. Okay, so remember, yaad rakho, the first vowel says its names and the second is silent. So first vowel જે નામ કહે છે અને ત્યારબાદ સેકન્ડ સાયલેન્ટ, એટલે કે એનો ઉચ્ચાર થતો નથી. ઓકે, so let us read the words and complete the words by adding the vowels O, A as in the boat. So this is what the pictures of boat. So I am going to add here O and A. Okay, so it is called boat. Okay, you see boat. Okay, so this is what boat. Okay, direct A is silent. Okay, goat. So same way, goat. Did you see? Goat. Okay, did you see? How are you able to understand? You see, I wrote boat. Okay, so silent word is a boat, 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 goat, and coat, coat. Okay, coat. Then road. Here also road. Okay. Then frog. Toad. Sorry. Toad. One kind of frog. Okay. Soap. Okay. Soap. So these are the words which are the silent. Okay. You see. Did you see here? So you can write down your homework. Boat, B-O-A-T, goat, G-O-A-T, goat, coat, C-O-A-T, coat, road, R-O-A-D, toad, T-O-A-D, soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Okay, so there are some more words are there. Okay, there are some more words are there. So that we will learn, like let us read some more words. Okay, so coal, fall, goal, foam, roam, load, soak, toast, boast, roast, roast, boast, toast, soak, load, roam, foam, goal, fall, coal. Okay, are you able to understand? So how I am saying? Okay, are you able to understand? Okay, so I hope that you have understood this one. Okay, then there are some more words are there. So same way, the long vowel sound of O is also made when there is a consonant between the vowels O and E, like a joke. Okay, so this one we can see now. Okay, uh, okay, so this one we will learn. Okay, okay, so let us read first. Now we have to put O and K. So whole. Okay, so this is whole. Okay, toe. Okay, then home, then cone, rose, and rope. Okay, you see. Did you see, my dear students? So first, in the same way, the rules of first vowel talking and the second vowel silent remain in the same. Okay, so same way, whole. Okay, whole, toe, home, cone, rose, rope. So this word is silent. E is silent. Okay, so there are some more words: road, joke, poke, pole, nose, note, vote, soul, hope, cope. Okay, this is what you need to do. Okay, this is your homework. So my beloved students, you need to send me the homework. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope and believe that you liked my video. Thank you. Bye bye.